So what's happening, you guys? You're back here with Southern Urbex. Just come to an abandoned dairy farm. So I'll quickly show you around. I don't know much about what's here. Never really seen much history to it. I think there's been a couple of explorers that have been in before. Here you go, guys. Wowzers. Absolutely huge. Have a walk through, see what there is. So again, I've got a couple more explores over the next couple of weeks, guys. Wowzers, look at the size of this though. I can hear a lot of pigeons in this place. You guys, this was actually a really big dairy farm when you look at it. Still got everything here practically. No, it's up for sale now. Old electric board there. Let's have a look around what's on the other side. So I don't know if we'll be able to get into everything. I'll have a good mooch around now and see what there is, just so you can see it. So I'm not sure how long this has actually been empty for. There is a couple of other videos where people have gone into different parts of it. I'll probably be coming back to do another exploring this because I've kind of got to this quite late in the day really. But this is one that I was always trying to aim to get for, to come and have a look. Huge place. Geese that you can hear in the background, guys, if you can hear anything. Wowzers. It's just full of stalls, so I'm not sure if it was just cows or horses as well that they had here. Got an old farmhouse on the front. I'll have a walk through to that as well in a moment. Just see what's going on around. So this week, guys, I've actually got a couple potentially lined up. I was going to go down and have a look at. I have got a few time capsules that I'm trying to get to. It's just houses that have been abandoned, some of them from the 1940s. So if you like any of my videos, you'll just have to like, if you can, subscribe. I'd love to hear any comments off you guys, if this is something that you've explored yourself before. It's just like a bit of a refresher on what's going on here really, I suppose. So this is another shed, guys. Here we have what's left of a workshop, and that's still got all the instruments and the bits inside as well. That's inside one of the metal sheds. Huge plot of land. I just noticed as well, look at this, got a shotgun cartridge. Hopefully that's not going to be happening today. I'll just keep walking around so you can see what's going on. I'm not sure what this is, guys, if you've ever seen one of these before. Is that where, oh, it's where the milk, the cows? Oh, wowzers. Oh wow, you guys, I've never actually seen one of them in real life. So yeah, you can see where they put the udders on inside. Don't know if you can make that out. Wowzers, it's so low. I don't know what I expected that to actually look like. I'll have a walk up the courtyard and see what's going on up here. So I'm kind of leaving the house till last. Might get a glimpse of it, but I might come back because the light's not really on my side today. masses of land. My word. I'm not sure what's over there. Because looking over there, it's got something, but it says danger around it, so I'm not sure what that was. Unless it's a small reservoir or something like that. My days, guys, look at the size of these. That is one of the biggest sheds I have ever seen. These really were farming some cows, weren't they? My word. Not sure what kind of tyre that's off. Is that off a tractor? Might be, mightn't it? I'll start having a walk up towards the house through the yard. See what happens as we get a bit further up. Say, kind of limited on daylight, guys. I am really sorry about that. I will come back and do another explore, just so you can see more of what's going on. As long as the house is open next time. Yeah, it's not a bad farm, this one. I've never actually been on a farm as big as this that's closed down. I'll just show you back through the other side. That's the other way in, guys. My word, it's huge. So it's a massive yard, guys, where we obviously had a lot of cattle here at some point. Must have had a lot of people working on this farm for it to be this size. If you couldn't have just run it, I wouldn't have thought as a family. That's the actual farmhouse, and if you can make that out in the background. I'm gonna go and have a bit of a mooch up towards it in a couple of moments. Just give me one sec, guys. I'm just gonna grab a mask and I'll head over that way. Come back to you in a minute. Okay, guys, you're back with me again. So I've got a mask. So I'm gonna make my way over towards the house. I'm not sure if you can actually get in it. Against an impressive bit of land. My word. I'm not actually sure what's happening with this now. It was up for sale. Then I think it was sold, then bought and sold again. So that's more sheds in there, guys. Here we have part of the house. As you can see, some of it's coming down. It's quite derelict now. All the wires coming down in the wind and stuff. So look what we've got going on. Oh wowzers. Yeah, it's collapsing quite a bit, isn't it? Maybe you can see all the way in that, guys. Nice old flooring that's inside though. Quite like that. This is just an overgrown shed. I love the windows though, because it wasn't smashed. I love where the windows used to be, I suppose. I'm going to keep away from them, guys, because I'm not sure if that's a live wire or not. We'll keep having a look. Oh wowzer, someone's actually trashed this because the doors are actually put in on it. That's a shame. I've never understood why people go around vandalising everything. It's crazy. Again, I think that's just back in the other way. Inside. I'm just about to make out a cooker there. I don't know if you can see that, guys. And unfortunately, like I say, someone's put the door through. I'm not sure why they've done that. This is inside. It's just storage under the stairs, isn't it, I think? So I'm not sure if this is just something that's being built as an extra. This is inside one of the rooms, guys. Does look like it's having work done, to be honest. Looks like it's been smashed up quite a bit. Not sure why they do that. There we go, guys. I've just popped my sticker just so you can see that I've been here on the door. So going back down the stairs back through. So I'm not sure if someone's been trying to sleep in this, because this one's quite new really. Yeah, I was going to say, I'd imagine it would all be locked up. Very dark inside, guys. Like I say, this is going to be one of these ones that I'll have to come back to, I think, when there's a bit more daylight. There's just not enough daylight really. I think the old house structurally has got some issues going on with it. Not quite sure how you get into the main bit of the old house because the door's shut from the side. Because it looks like there's a couple of footprints where people have gone across. So let's have a look. So I'm not intending on actually going in it, I don't think, in this daylight at the minute. But we can always have a bit of a look just to see what's going on. You can see other people have been here before. Wowzers, guys, look at this. This is the outside of the old house, guys. Don't know if you can see much of this with the angles that I'm doing. I'm just going to pop a mask on, guys, and see if I can partly go in and just see how bad it is inside before venturing. I'll be back in a moment, guys. Okay, you guys, I might sound slightly muffled now because I actually am wearing a mask as we go through the front entrance. This is obviously quite derelict here, so let's have a bit of a look round. This is the hallway, guys. As you can see, it's come down quite a bit, hasn't it? One of the old rooms. Bottom on the side. Look at the ceiling though, guys. My days, it's proper coming down, isn't it? So this is where we have storage inside. It's got a really big old fireplace. It's massive, that is, isn't it? This is the old kitchen. Obviously have an old argo as well, guys. That is an old one, isn't it? Fine word. Not sure what make that is. You might recognise that, guys. Coming into another old room. Oh, this must have been a toilet at one point. It's quite ruined now, isn't it, when you look at it? Keep going, let's have a look. Yeah, there's not much out here. This is the door that was locked from the other side, and I think this is like a coat room. Maybe you can make that out, guys. Quite a lot of mould on the wall in here now. I know when I've seen other videos before, there doesn't seem as much mould and ruination really. See what else there is. You've got to be careful because structurally there's obviously things going on with it. This is one of the old rooms here, guys. Wowzers, look at this. The old fireplace goes back through to the kitchen. Looks like we're going into another back room. Look at the door. Wowzers, look at that. Again, there's a lot of old mould in here, guys. So I hope you can hear me okay. It's a bit hit and miss, isn't it? under the stair storage. And again, this is going through into another really old room, isn't it? Look at the beams on the ceiling, my word. Look at the old light fittings, guys. How amazing. The old fire there. Absolutely amazing. So we'll partly go up to have a look. Look at that coming through the window, guys. It's been empty for a while, hasn't it? Okay, guys, I'm trying to be very careful here because the floors feel a bit spongy. So, got a couple of the old rooms. Just been left there. Look at that as an old room, guys. I think this must be the old bathroom. Yeah, it is. It's been completely destroyed. But I'm not going to go up any further, guys, just because I'm unsure on how safe and sturdy it is in here, really. So I'm going to make the way back out the property again. I don't need that. So guys, there you have it. So this is, like I say, it's an old farmhouse in Cheshire. Another one again. Another explore by myself, Urban Explorer. If you've liked anything you've seen, subscribe. I've got a lot more coming up. This is just one of a very few. I am fortunate that I've been in touch with a few different people, and I'm lucky to have found, I'd say, a couple of time capsules that I'm going to be visiting over the next 2 weeks. I might actually do a live explore, connect up live on YouTube, and if anyone's following, I can always take on requests if anyone wants me to go anywhere or do anything. Obviously that's not against the law. I say, guys, this is not a bad one. Leave me any comments. I'd love to hear off you guys, and I shall catch you on the next video. See you later, guys. Stay safe.